Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thanks for the visit. We appreciate you very much. Many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented and shared our videos. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve into understanding the impact, causes and prevention measures related to car fires. Understanding these critical aspects can empower you with knowledge to protect yourself and your vehicle from this potentially catastrophic event. The devastating effects of car fires. Car fires can have devastating effects, causing not only damage to the vehicle, but also posing serious risks to life and property. The aftermath of a car fire can be overwhelming, leading to financial strain and emotional distress for those involved. In this video, we will explore the various causes of car fires, their impact, and steps that can be taken to prevent them. Understanding the potential consequences of car fires is crucial for raising awareness and promoting safety on the road. Understanding car fires. Car fires can have devastating effects on both individuals and property, making it crucial to understand their causes and frequency. Causes of car fires. The leading causes of car fires include electrical issues, fuel leaks and overheating. Electrical malfunctions, often stemming from faulty wiring or battery issues, can ignite flammable materials within the vehicle. Similarly, fuel leaks, whether from a damaged fuel line or poorly maintained engine components, present a significant fire hazard. Overheating, typically resulting from neglected cooling systems or excessive strain on the engine, can also lead to spontaneous combustion and subsequent fires. Frequency of car fires. Car fires occur more frequently than most individuals realize, with an estimated 17 automobile fires transpiring every hour in the United States alone. This equates to approximately 204 car fires per day, highlighting the alarming regularity of such incidents. These fires result in significant damage to both vehicles and surrounding property, underlining the critical importance of understanding and mitigating the factors that contribute to their occurrence. Devastating effects on people, injuries and fatalities. Car fires can lead to severe injuries and, in the worst cases, fatalities. The intense heat and flames caused by the fire can result in burns, respiratory issues due to smoke inhalation, and other traumatic injuries. Victims of car fires often require immediate medical attention, and the road to recovery can be long and arduous. Emotional impact. The emotional toll of a car fire can be overwhelming for those involved. Witnessing the destruction of a vehicle, the threat of physical harm, and the feeling of helplessness can lead to significant emotional distress. Furthermore, the aftermath of a car fire, including dealing with insurance claims and the loss of personal belongings, can compound the emotional impact on individuals and families. The trauma from such an event can linger long after the flames have been extinguished, affecting the mental well-being of those involved. Environmental impact. Car fires not only pose a threat to human safety but also have far-reaching environmental consequences. The release of toxic pollutants during a car fire can lead to air pollution, soil contamination and water pollution, causing significant harm to the ecosystem. Air pollution. During a car fire, various materials such as plastics, rubber and upholstery release harmful chemicals and particles into the air. These emissions can include carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic compounds, contributing to poor air quality. The inhalation of these pollutants can lead to respiratory issues for both humans and wildlife, posing a danger to the environment. Soil and water contamination. Car fires can result in the release of hazardous substances such as motor oil, antifreeze, and battery acids, which can seep into the soil and contaminate groundwater. This contamination can have long-term effects on plant life and contribute to the pollution of water sources, impacting aquatic ecosystems and potentially harming human populations dependent on these water supplies. The presence of heavy metals and other pollutants from car fires can disrupt the balance of ecosystems, endangering wildlife and plant species. Car fires, therefore, not only threaten lives and property, but also have significant and lasting impacts on the environment, highlighting the urgent need for preventive measures and responsible disposal of end-of-life vehicles. Economic impact. Car fires can have a devastating economic impact, causing substantial property damage and leading to increased insurance costs. Property damage. When a car catches on fire, it can result in significant property damage. The intense heat from the fire can cause nearby structures to suffer damage, including scorched pavement, melted signage, and even structural damage to buildings. Additionally, the fire may spread to other vehicles, compounding the property damage and leading to a substantial financial burden for individuals and businesses alike. Insurance costs. Car fires often lead to increased insurance costs for both individuals and businesses. Insurance companies may raise premiums or impose deductibles following a car fire claim. Additionally, the overall cost of insurance claims related to car fires can have a wider impact on insurance rates for a specific area or region, affecting the financial burden of the community as a whole. The cumulative effect of increased insurance costs can be a significant strain on individuals and businesses already grappling with the aftermath of a car fire. Preventive measures, maintenance and inspections. Regular maintenance and inspections are crucial in preventing car fires. Be sure to schedule routine checkups with a qualified mechanic to assess the condition of your vehicle's engine, fuel system, and electrical components. Addressing any potential issues early on can significantly reduce the risk of fire. Fire safety equipment. Equipping your vehicle with essential fire safety tools can serve as a proactive measure in the event of an emergency. Consider carrying a fire extinguisher specifically designed for automotive use, as well as a fire suppression blanket. These items can help contain a small fire before it escalates, potentially averting a catastrophic situation. With the information shared in this post, we conclude that car fires can have devastating effects on both the vehicle and its occupants. Understanding the common causes and taking proactive measures to prevent car fires is crucial for ensuring safety on the road. By staying informed about the warning signs of potential car fires and conducting regular maintenance, drivers can significantly reduce the risk of experiencing this dangerous and destructive event. Prioritizing safety and taking precautions can ultimately save lives and prevent the loss of valuable property. Thank you for joining us in understanding the devastating effects of car fires. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.